Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. So today we're going to cook fresh spinach leaves, and this is very tasty. So we're going to do one package of fresh spinach leaves with 2 red potatoes, and I have here a little bit of cumin seed and olive oil and little bit of garlic, 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to saute this, and then here are the spinach leaves. They're washed and cleansed, but I'm still going to chop them, and then I'm going to use red onion, 2 of these, and I'm going to clean, cut, chop, and then I will see you. So as you can see, my garlic is totally roasted and cumins are roasted too, and to that I'm going to add my spinach and potatoes. Now this is the easiest way you can consume spinach and potatoes. Very healthy, tasty. To this I'm going to add salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and any kind of vegetable masala powder that you have. And if you don't have anything, or you don't like the taste of any other things, just add salt and pepper. That will do it. And if you like hot and spicy, you can add a little bit of jalapeno pepper chopped. Either way, this is extremely tasty, easy way to do it. So I'm going to add my spices and give you a look, and then I'll give you the final look. Now this is the easiest way to give it to the kids too, because they really like the taste of it. And spinach is something you should never consume it uncooked. A lot of people put it in their smoothies and all that, which is really not right, because spinach has a lot of oxalates and is going to create kidney stone. So it's best to cook the spinach and eat it like that. So I'm just going to add some spice. So here's my spinach with potatoes, and I have added some jalapeno peppers. So it's really tasty. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.